AOC has introduced a new 24.5-inch monitor, the 25B35XE, in the Chinese market. The monitor features a 1080p resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. It is priced at 699 yuan, $100, making it an affordable option for gamers and general users. The AOC 25B35XE features an IPS panel with wide 178-degree viewing angles and accurate colors. It offers a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and a 144 Hz refresh rate. The monitor includes clear vision technology, which enhances image sharpness by improving the clarity of low-resolution or compressed content. AOC has equipped the monitor with a typical brightness level of 300 nits and a 1500:1 static contrast ratio. These specifications ensure good visibility in various lighting conditions and enhance detail in both bright and dark areas. The monitor includes an HDR simulation mode, which enhances highlights and shadows for a more dynamic visual experience, though it does not provide full HDR support. The monitor features a 0.5 milliseconds MPRT and 4 milliseconds GTG response time for reduced motion blur and ghosting. It includes AOC's MBR sync for improved motion clarity and adaptive sync to prevent screen tearing and stuttering during gameplay. AOC has included several gaming-focused features, such as game color adjustment, shadow control for better visibility in dark scenes, and dynamic crosshair overlays for improved aiming in FPS games. The monitor also supports low blue light and flicker-free technologies to reduce eye strain during long usage sessions. The 25B35XE has HDMI and VGA ports, ensuring compatibility with PCs, laptops, and gaming consoles. The stand supports tilt adjustment from -5 degrees to 23 degrees. The monitor also comes with VESA 100 by 100 mm support.